want some on your head, Daddy?
I'm alright.
I some on my head.
Getting some on your cheeks, right? Back
I
here, maybe?
some on my head.
There you go.
On my head.
You have hair on your head. That popcorn's going to be all gone. I suppose that's what it's for. Huh?
Yep.
I like more popcorn.
Here, I'll get you some fish food next time.
But wait till we're done eating, and we'll get some fish food.
Here you go. You can throw this again.
They're just waiting, aren't they?
Did you hear that seagull? He's very loud.
Those seagulls are being kind of loud, aren't they? You gonna throw some more in?
Catfish, Bobby.
Yeah. Catfish. There's a whole bunch of catfish out there.